Okay, to Pluto. So anyway, yeah, I have a video that she sent. I'm gonna post it now. Here, I'm gonna show it. Sorry. Okay. Saan mo na-meet pala yung designer mo? Where did you meet
Yes,
her?
kilala ko na siya. I know him. Ito pa, before I said yes to the national pageantry here, I asked him
Mm.
first. Kasi I only have 1 month. Tapos, wala akong experience. I don't have any experience. So I asked him, sabi ko, somebody wants me to join this pageant. And sinabi niya, yes. Yes, I will help you. I will do your evening gown. I will do this, that, tulugan kita. So then I said yes to the pageantry. Without
So
him,
talagang I think malaking role talaga yung mga dress, yung mga gown niya sa panalo mo, no? Malaking
yes, at
malaking
saka, I don't know what I'm doing. Siya lahat. Even in my international,
siya yung coach mo rin? Parang
nag,
coach mo? Parang gano'n?
para siyang naging coach, para siya yung campaign manager ko, siya yung, he's just my designer, pero siya yung nagturo sa akin ng yung mga OOTD. Sabi ko, what is OOTD?
Hindi mo alam yung OOTD pa, oo.
Hindi. Sabi niya, you have to have something for your OOTD. Sabi ko, what is OOTD? Tapos sabi niya, you need to learn how to do the pasarela. Sabi ko, what is pasarela? Sabi, lahat from sa international ko, I'm
Mhm.
telling you, he he did everything. Naka-line up po yan. Meron pa akong, may listahan pa yan. Nandito sa day 1, day 2, day 3. Ito ang suot.
Galing, na-organize niya, talagang alam
Yes.
niya.
And then, he went to see me in person. I have to try out everything kung bagay ba
Where?
sa.
You went to the Philippines? Pumunta ka dito?
Yes. I went to the Philippines before I went to Myanmar. Para lang ma-try out ko everything.
Pero yung una mong contest, was it in Myanmar also? Yung sa Mrs.
No,
Grandeur?
it's in Seattle. So in Seattle, kasi I already ordered some gowns from him prior to the pageantry. Kasi I ordered my gowns for my daughter's wedding. Tapos lahat ng Pilipiniana ko, siya yung gumagawa. So she have my measurement. So yun.
Ah,
Ano lang yun he sent it to he shipped the.
FedEx? FedEx,
Oo.
parang gano'n.
Tapos nagbagyo. Nagbagyo pa. So I only have few days bago tapos dumating
So,
yung.
muntik na hindi umabot sa'yo, parang gano'n.
Yes. Pero yun nga ang sabi niya, alam mo, your pageantry is really, kumbaga maraming pagsubok.
Miracle.
Yes, maraming pagsubok but successful siya. So siguro couple days then I received the gift.
Grabe, no? So, talagang miracle yung nangyari sa'yo. Parang, di ba nung nag-usap tayo, sabi mo sa akin, maraming mas malaking chance manalo rin. So, parang hindi rin ako sure na mananalo ka. Parang you told me, the odds were stacked against you, no?
Yes, kasi they told me already, the managements already told me that masyadong slim yung chances kasi there's so many contestants from different countries.
How did you win pala? Was it through the votes or was it through the judges or what? Ano daw yung
International or
sa sa international?
sa international, sa voting, so sa majority vote, yung popularity, you only have the chance to be in top 8. So, kung number 1 ka, which I was a number 1, kung number 1 ka, automatically nasa top 8 ka. There's no
Number
guarantee.
1 ka sa voting? Number 1 ka?
Sa Mrs. Popularity, I was number 1. I would like to thank also lahat ng supporters ko, my family. My family did not sleep, they watched the voting. because yung voting is sometimes in voting my times two. You vote one and then it times two. So they really, really watch out. I was number one in the voting. So I think I almost have a 500K votes.
Ang dami ah.
Yes, dalawa kami. So there's one also contestant from the USA. She could be number one if she wanted to. She is she's the only one that I worried about in the popularity. Kasi I know that she can win the popularity. But a day, do I have to share this? A
Okay,
day,
ikaw bala. Hindi ko
Yeah.
yan.
a day of the pageantry, yung grand coronation namin, she talked to me. She came to me and talked to me and told me about the voting thing. And she told me, I'm gonna cry. She told me that she figured out that I am joining the pageantry not because of me, because of my
Advocacy.
my advocacy. So then she told her husband to stop voting.
Ah.
So, but to me, even if they keep voting, I am determined that I'm not gonna let her win against me, because I'm watching like a hawk. My family is watching, and because my family knows this is my dream. This is one of my dream. As the national, it's just like come what may, I win or not, it's okay. But in my international, I have that feelings within me that I work hard for it. I have to win. And I really work hard for it. So I have a big respect for one of the contestants, like my team, for doing that. But I know that she's also going to win, because our score is only not really high, how many thousand, but she gave up that popularity vote because she found out what truly is this pageant mean to me.
Wow.
Sorry.
Nakakalungkot naman, nakaka-inspire naman na parang even your opponent wants you to win.
Yes.
Parang ganun.
Yeah. My teammate, my USA teammate, because we're four of us, they are all rooting for me. They are all rooting for me. But one of the contestants, I know she's gonna win, because it's true that when you go to a pageantry, you will see who's gonna be on the top, who's gonna be not gonna be there. So nakikita mo na eh. So all you have to do is really show, because all of those contenders are queens. No less, no more, very successful people. Everybody has an advocacy. It's everybody has their own mission.
Yeah.
So, but you need to be the top on the top people.
Wow. So it was really your determination and showing people na you're serious about your advocacy. Kaya sila na-convince.
Yes. I am.
Kasi iba, baka they just create an advocacy just to answer the question or just to be part of the pageant. Pero ikaw, you've been doing it for how many? 6 years na, di ba?
Yes.
So,
it's
you have
true.
something to prove. Sila baka 1 year pa lang or months pa lang.
Yes. Yes.
Ikaw 6 years ka na talaga and you just need more support for what you're doing.
Yes.
Kaya a grander vision for education and advocacy. Stella Fullerton. So talagang ang ganda ng story mo, nakaka-inspire. Let's go back sa other pageant kasi masyado ako dumiretso sa Grand International. Nung nag-Grand USA ka, paano yung nag-start pala na, sali mo na ako Grand USA? Diba? Parang how long did it? Mabilis lang ba yung pageant na yun? Yung grand, yung una mong, matagal din.
Mabilis lang. It's like days. So one of my friend told me, sumali ka nito. So she said, are you sure? And then I asked another good friend. And then so this good friend of mine told me, she called me Big Sis. She said, Big Sis, go for it. If you win or not, at least and you have experience. So then I signed up. And then that's only 1 month.
I-share mo pala to sa page mo or sa personal mo, itong live stream natin. It's
Okay.
showing in my Facebook and in my YouTube. Wait, I'll look for the link. Kasi tayong dalawa pa lang. Wait, I don't know, wala pala. Hindi ako nag-announce din eh. Pero okay lang yung mga... Maganda kasi kung may live din na nanonood, tapos baka may question sa atin. Meron ka bang mga yung mga kasama mo sa pageant, baka gusto nilang manood sa atin? Yung parang, di ba may nag-comment dati yung coach mo? Coach mo ba yun?
Oh.
Yung sa coach mo sa Q&A, yung coach mo sa Q&A.
Si Michelle?
Yeah, I think so. I'll send you the link na. Ito yung sa YouTube. Para ma-share mo. And then, ito yung sa Facebook.
Okay. So,
Pero yung yung original interview ko sa'yo, although di ba na-post na ni Ross before, naka almost 1.5 na ata siya ngayon, yung views. Pero if we boost it pa, syempre, mas marami. So today, I have the privilege of being with one of the best inspiring queens na serious with her advocacy. Her name is Estella Fullerton. Formerly Jardine. Hardin.
Kasi remember the
J. Nagulat ako sa kanya, sinabi niya meron palang Mexican, may Mexican menudo at Mexican adobo pala. so hindi ko pa, nagulat ako may ganun pala. Pero yan pa yung fourth topic natin, mamaya pa. Grabe, yung Mexican adobo, masarap ba yon? Masarap ba? Mexican adobo?
Maybe I'm wrong, but adobo is really popular in. Kasi that's number 1. Adobo Filipino and then adobo Mexican. Maybe I'm wrong.
Search ko baka meron lalabas.
Baka mali.
Curious lang ako. Baka meron. Meron nga. Meron Mexican adobo.
Oh, sabi ko na.
Meron nga, Wow, Mexican adobo. May recipe pa nga eh. So baka doon nga nanggaling yung adobo natin sa tas iniba lang natin yung
Yeah.
Oh my God. So Mexican pala yung adobo. Nagulat ako. I found it out from Estella na may adobo pala yung Mexico. So possibly yung ating Mexico galing din sa Mexicano, no?
Yeah. Kasi based on history, I think the Mexican also went to the Philippines. We have a lot of similarity.
Oo nga. Marami din
not only in foods but words, language.
Yeah, Spanish then. Pati Spanish we're here now.
Yeah.
So, hanapin natin ito. Ano bang pakita yung adobo? Savory, spicy. Okay, so let's go back to the topic. So we're talking about Mrs. Grand. Yung una mo, sabi mo it was a few days lang?
Like a month. Yung decision ko is like less than a week. when I decided to join, and then
Mm.
they did an interview. So I met it's I was so nervous kasi interview. So they did the interview, and then after that, I think on that weekend I flew to Seattle because I don't have much time, so I need to attend the workshop. So I attended the workshop like 3, 4 times,
Mm-mm.
and then grand coronation.
Ganon?
Yeah.
Ang bilis naman. Parang,
Yes, and some of the contestants they started like in May. I started in July, so they already doing a lot of stuff. They have a lot of sessions that I missed.
so last minute ka sumali, ikaw pananalo. Ilan yung mga kalaban mo nung first?
There's 11 of us.
So yung other 10 are, meron din mga ibang lahi or are they all?
Yes.
Iba-iba?
Yes. There's from we call it like Mrs. Grand India, Mrs. Grand Honduras, Mrs. Grand Mexico.
So ikaw Philippines ka nun.
Yes.
Pero the winner will represent the US, parang gano'n.
Yes. So I represent the Philippines. Tapos may tatlo kaming Pilipina, but the other Filipina, she represent Hawaii kasi doon siya pinanganak. But she was half Filipina, but she represents. So parang dalawa lang kaming Pilipina from Philippines. Tapos India, yes, India, Mexico, Honduras, Cambodia.
And you won with the gown na yung pinakita yung kanina, yung gown.
The best in evening gown and national costume.
So ito yon, itong gown na to. Parang ang hirap din gawin yan, no? Parang sobrang intricate, no?
Yes, talagang handmade siya. Parang talagang inano nila. It's not like a fabric that you buy tapos gawin mo na lang siyang ganyan. No.
So parang yung pageant nyo is you're gonna represent the US pero you're from different countries or cultures pa rin.
Different lang, pero US kami? US citizen. All of us are from here. But American Indian, American Cambodian, parang ganun. But
so that happens every year? Of ilang years na ba tong competition?
So this is the first year of the Mrs. Grand USA. So I think this is first year pa nila. So we are the first batch. So the Mrs. Grand International is 3 years.
3 years na.
Yes. So it's a franchise. So like for me, if I want a franchise, I don't know how kasi we already have a Mrs. Grand USA. So whoever won doon sa Mrs. Grand USA will compete to the international.
Oo nga. Ilan naman kayo sa Mrs. Grand International na lumaban?
So Mrs. Grand International, actually, there's supposed to be a lot, like 40 entry, but there's only 24.
At parang may ibang Pilipino pa eh. Kasi parang may nakita pa akong ibang may iba akong nakitang may same costume like you. Parang naka New York din, tama? Naka Statue of Liberty. Dalawa kayo.
Because those are my team. My team we're 4 of us. So there's 2 of us that wore the Liberty, which the other one, she won the national costume. Her costume is really amazing. My costume is like 50 pounds. My wings, I'm carrying 50 pounds. But her
Oo.
costume, probably she's carrying 70 to 100 pounds.
Ano yung
So,
costume niya? Was it, anong design?
Liberty.
Liberty
Liberty
rin.
with wings then. There's a wings and it's heavy. I feel sorry for her. But
Mahirap yun, suotin. Oo nga.
yes, but all the efforts and the hard work,
Paid
you
off
know,
naman.
it's worth. Nanalo siya. So,
For the costume, no? Pero you won the overall, no?
yes, yes. She won also Mrs. Grand Classic, because there's Classic, there's Standard, Supreme, and Royal, and then the Grand Finale.
So when you say magka-team kayo, parang you are happy if you all win? Or parang magkasama talaga kayo? Parang,
We're team. Galing kami ng US. We're also from Mrs. Grand USA. We met
okay.
at the national pageant dito sa US. We're friends. We become really, really good friends. And we root for each other. We cheer for each other. Oh, I love that girl. I love that.
Yeah. And you know the divine thing about that is, diba? So I met Estela sa Miss Earth, and then I had a mission trip to the US to pray for the US. And part of it was me going near the Statue of Liberty. So meron akong photo with the Statue of Liberty. So parang I'm getting parang ano ba to? Parang there are a lot of common denominators sa journey natin. Na parang I'm praying for the US. We're going to different places. I see the Statue of Liberty, you're wearing the Statue of Liberty. And then you're helping the mothers and the kids, no? And I think there's gonna be more grander things talaga na God has prepared for you and for us, no? In terms of praying for the US, helping people in the Philippines and in the US. So,
yes.
pray natin talaga yung Philippines and the US. Lalo na ngayon, ang gulo-gulo ng sa Philippines, magulo dito. So, sana marami maayos din. No?
Yeah, I really want it for the buong mundo. You know, the whole world.
When I was younger, I had the yaya, no? So, I always think of deep stuff. Like, yung parang ganyan, I want to help the world, I want to fix stuff. Pero when you're young, it's so hard to do it kasi you just have it all in your mind. Eh. Pero ikaw, you actually do steps to help people, no? 'Di ba may sinasabi sila, you can't save all the fish in the sea,
Yes.
but you can save one
Yes.
or two. No?
Yes.
So how does it relate to you and your advocacy? Yung parang helping at one or two at a time.
That's what I'm always saying, you know, there's no small amount, you know, every little thing that you will do for others is very, very and very appreciated. Kasi those little things that you do for others can make a huge